Active transport is the movement. Active transport. It's the movement of particles through a cell membrane from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration using energy from respiration. Okay. Discuss the importance of. Okay. So we have to discuss the importance of active transport. Ion uptake by root hairs. Ion uptake by root hairs. Uptake by glucose by epithelial cells of villi. Okay. And explain how protein molecules move particles across this membrane during active transport. Okay. So, active transport. So active transport, it moves from low concentration to high concentration. Okay. It moves from low concentration to high concentration. So if there are less substances or particles over here, they're going to move over here. And it uses energy. Uses protein carriers. Uses protein carriers. And it uses energy from respiration. Okay, what happens is that this is, okay, so glucose, C6H12O6, plus oxygen gives H2O plus CO2 plus energy. Okay, this energy is also called ATP. Either ATP or energy. This energy, it's used in active transport as energy. So, in this diagram, there are two particles over here, and there are more than two over here. So this has a low concentration, and this has a high concentration. So using a protein carrier, using this protein carrier, it basically just takes this particle in. Let me change the color. It takes this particle in and it takes this out. So every process requires energy. So it's obviously moving this particle all the way there, so it needs energy. This energy comes from here. It comes from here and it goes here. So it goes from respiration to this. And it's from the lower concentration to the higher concentration, and it's through a cell membrane. And yeah. And the importance of active transport is there are many things that use it. One of the substances that use active transport is one of the things that use active transport are root hair cells. If this is a plant, Okay, and it has roots. It has roots. Now, each root has a root hair cell in it. This root hair cell looks like, it looks like this. Where is it? Root hair cell. There it is. Now this root hair cell has, so there are minerals over here. If this is the plant, it's obviously in the soil, right? So there are a lot of minerals over here. To take these minerals inside, obviously plants need it. So to take these minerals inside, you use the process called active transport. Okay, it can also be used in the uptake of glucose by epithelial cells of villi and kidney tubules. So if this is the epithelial, obviously epithelial cells are over here, and then there's a lacteal. Make it yellow. Lacteal. And blood capillaries. Okay. Now, for the absorption of glucose from here to the lacteal, it requires, you need active transport. And this, it happens in kidney tubules. Okay, so this process can also happen with proteins. So just think of these two things, these two particles as proteins. And so obviously they're going to move through, like the protein carriers are going to allow it to, are going to make it enter here, and it's going to pass from here to here. And it's obviously from low concentration to high concentration using the protein carrier. That's it.